What's up, my good people? This is your boy Azad Ngalane, and today we want us to discuss the fall of the House of Usher. This is currently trending on Netflix. Let's go. Right, just before we continue, you can subscribe, press the like button and the bell button so uzokwazi ukuthola ama notifications whenever I drop ama reviews. So the show The Fall of the House of Usher recently just came out the past couple of weeks. Ngibuye ngaze ngayiqeda yonke within a few days to a week bafisa ngendlela emnandi ngayo. I think it has like 8 episodes. It is a limited series. So basically the show bafethu kahle kahle leya show nje into enginigoqweni ikhuluma ngokuthwala. It's about these young kids. Iqala iveza ingane ezincane ezinomama osebenza in some office for this how can I say, the pharmacist. Benza amaphilisi nani nani. But then it so happens ukuthi lo mnikazi oleli business leli ngoba lo mama besebenza khona ubaba wabo. You understand that today? So fast things forward, ashone lo baba and then noma abashone laba kwase kuba ukuthi ibona aba inherited the business. But for them to inherit it, khona umama bahlangana naye ungathi devil's advocate abatshela ukuthi no guys, you know what, you need to do A, B no C ukuze nilithole le business so you can have the success that you want. But that success comes on the condition yokuthi eventually uzophela wonke leyo success, right? Izophela yonke ukuthi amalungu omndeni enzoba nawo azoshona. Lo baba vele abenengane eningi, mhlawumbe banengane ezo6. Ziqala ukuthi zishone zonke before zishone yena naye lo sisi wakhe laba inherita naye le business. Ebadala like at the ages of 60, 70. It's a nice thing. And into engichazayo ukuthwala nje lokho yanoveza la abafethu. Ngeke ngigoqe ukuthwala okwesingisi, hayi lo wezulu. Okwenza ukuthanda kuba dark. Yabona khona like ku dark, but ngoba phela okwesilungu ukuthanda ukuthi ngasiyahloniphiswa, but kuyikona ngoba it has like this element of being evil, no buthakathi nani. But it is such a good show bafethu. There's nice actors esiwaziyo. The dark lenses they are using, uyabona ukuthi no man, yabona nje yonke into yalana inobusathana enakho, yabona ngathi ubuka Lucifer if you have watched Lucifer. But it's such a good series bafethu. I'm not gonna lie, I highly recommend it. It has 8 episodes. The episode is like an hour. Please do watch the thing. I think you're actually gonna love it bafethu. You're gonna love it, okay? So another series that's ngifuna discuss Bodies, not The Bodies, Bodies. Bodies iphume ngoLwesihlanu. It's also a limited series inama episode awu8. Bodies yenzeka within 4 different timelines. In all these 4 different timelines, ahlukane ngeminyaka ethilo. In each timeline kutholakala a body of umuntu wesilisa in a passageway somewhere lapha ko-Britain, right? So in each timeline, detectives are handling this case, right? I've only watched like a couple of episodes or 3 episodes. But one thing I figured ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi in all these 4 different timelines, how is all of this gonna conclude, or how is it all gonna gel together? I would really actually love to see that. Ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle kahle kuyona. But it's a beautiful show. It's a beautiful show. Give it a chance. It's long but short. 8 episodes is like 8 hours. Will be episode is like an hour. Nibook, okay? Anyways, anyhow, that's how we conclude. Ama shows asanda kuphuma that are currently trending on Netflix. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button and press the bell button so you get notifications whenever I drop these videos. Okay, bafethu ngibonga kakhulu for the support. Peace.